What's up, y'all? Dominoes 7 here. Alright, so this video here, today is Friday, January the 3rd. Today is Nala's birthday. I know some of you know who Nala is, you know. She appeared on my show the first time she was here and stuff like that. She looks sweet as a dove and all that. Oh, well, never mind sweet as a dove, though, okay? But I want to let y'all know I'm debating on going to Wizard World Comic Con at 4 o'clock today, okay, here in New Orleans, okay, at the Ernest Memorial Convention Center, okay, Ernest Memorial Convention Center, not Memorial, okay. All right, so y'all pause that so I don't miss concentration. But as I was saying, folks, do y'all think I should go to Wizard World Comic Con or not? Well, if I do, if I ever do go to Comic Con, I'm gonna miss Jeopardy today. Okay, so y'all let me know if just in case I do go to Comic Con at 4 o'clock, y'all let me know if Kevin Farrell won or lost. Okay, so I got the message on my last video in the comments that Karen won, okay, yet again, okay, so anyway, she lose and stuff like that. We need another streaker, you know. We have a second lady streaker, you know, after Jennifer Quayle, okay. All right, I bet some of you probably didn't think I would mention Jennifer Quayle on my show, you know, so it had to be mentioned, you know. Okay, well I'll talk about that another time. Okay, but anyway, the year before last, Comic-Con before last, I went to Comic-Con. Okay, I meant to say I went all 3 days, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Okay, so yeah I did. Went all 3 days and stuff like that. You know, so I'm so glad that I did go. You know, last Comic-Con I went the Comic-Con before last, Super Retroland was there, okay? But unfortunately they didn't come last year. I only went for 1 day. Okay? But I don't know if they're gonna be back this year, okay? So that time Tommy from the Power Rangers, Jason David Frank, appeared on my show, you know. So I will ask y'all something. Do y'all remember Howie from the Backstreet Boys? I got him mixed up with Jason David Frank. You know, when I first seen Howie from the Backstreet Boys, when they had that ponytail, you know, I got him mixed up with Tommy from the Power Rangers. You know, Jason David Frank. You know, I remember that though. But the way I look at Jason David Frank now and Howie from the Backstreet Boys, they don't look nothing alike, to my knowledge, you know. Yes, indeed. I wish I don't know a full name. Trina, the Yellow Ranger. I bet if she was still alive today, she probably would have been at Comic-Con a lot of times, you know. May she rest in peace, okay? But some of you already know that she died in a car accident in 2001. Okay? Alright, so anyway, if I decide to go to Comic-Con today, I'll see you there. If not, I'll see you tomorrow. Okay? I'll think about it. Okay? Alright, bye.